Hi guys, so today we're gonna change the timing tensioner for my Mini Cooper. It's this part over here. We're gonna need number 19 sockets with extension, and I gotta use the big ratchets to reach it, and then it gets up forced to take it off. Stay with me soon because I feel my car doesn't like drive as supposed to be. So I need to be changed. It's supposed to be changed at 76,000 miles. My car now is 106. I never did it before. And this is for the R50, the basic model. So guys, I just removed the timing tensioner. This is really bad. Like, you're not supposed to be moved like that. It's supposed to be like tight. Really bad. Here's the new one. This one when you put it now, when they got the pressure on all sides of it, it gets open. Yeah, this is really bad. This is the factory, will never get done before. Hopefully the car be driving better. So the place is located, that one is right there. So this one here, the screw. Yeah, so use number 19 sockets to reach that one and open it. So I did replace right now, so I have to tear it and then put it back and start the car. Yeah, number 19. And make sure you check if you have any leak. Good. Okay guys, so the car now is on, so it's good, running better. Even the island, this one before always go up and down, so now it doesn't do it anymore. Mine feels smoother. Alright guys, thank you for watching and see you for our next video, and we'll see you next time. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share the video. Thank you. And this is the part I did just use today. This is the OEM one, the same like the dealer one. The part number, this is the part number.